Okay, guys, now let us see what is today's manifestation cards message. Change your thoughts, change the future. Okay, at the end of every day, before you go to sleep, think through the events of the day. If any events or moments didn't go the way you wanted, replay them in your mind the way you wanted them to go. You have now completely changed the future. Okay, so yes, our mind power, thinking power has lots of manifesting power. Okay, so this thinking power has always got power because it mixes with our emotion. The present moment you are living, whatever you are thinking, whatever you want to happen becomes our near future, isn't it? So if something you are thinking you want a specific outcome in the future, then your thinkings and thoughts also has to be like that, isn't it? So every day before going to sleep, the whole day, whatever has happened, whatever you did, and whatever outcome you have witnessed, think about all that things before you go to sleep. Okay, and somewhere if you feel, oh my god, this is not the outcome I expected, if I would have done like this, the outcome would have been still better, or the outcome would have been as I expected. If you come to know all these things, if you are thinking about all these things, just in your thinkings and thoughts itself, remove what you did wrong, and just think and imagine in the way how it wanted, how you wanted it to be. Okay, how you wanted the future outcome to be. Think about that and let it flow. Okay, and then you change that thought in your mind, automatically your future will change. This is what this card is telling. Actually, when you change that thought and go to sleep, the next day morning when you wake up, you'll automatically get the mind to let go of what mistake you did yesterday and what you thought before sleep. This could have been the better option, and if I would have done this, expected outcome would have come like that. You would have thought, no, automatically you'll start taking action for that. And once when your thought changes, when you mentally frame structured something, and when you are starting to take action towards it, your future also will change. That is what this card is telling. Okay, guys, let us meet in some other next card tomorrow. Until then, bye.